I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really come.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be trying on this wig that was sent to me from FANCIVIVI hair, and this is their full lace goddess twist, and it comes like this. It does have an adjustable strap and combs inside. So what I'm going to do now is to pull my hairline to the back, and I'm using the Fantasia spray. I'm going to spray that on my hairline and then blow dry it. That way my hairline stays in place.
Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Pass me the Hennessy. Let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see.
I'll be using this 99% rubbing alcohol to remove the makeup on my hairline.
Man, you can call me YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we are bossy down with no ID.
I'll be applying the Ruby Kisses Face Creator Foundation all over the lace. That way it looks more realistic. You can use any foundation of your choice.
The morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste.
After making sure that the wig is well positioned on my head, I'm going to use the Ebin hairspray to hold down this wig. I forgot to mention that before placing this wig on my head, I already cut out the lace at the back to make it more easier for me. Right now, I'm cutting out the lace around the ear tab, that way it can lay down properly.
Original Batman.
The beats check.
Girl, Batman, they feel the way you wind to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got a rhythm and a vibe that I make a man pray. Wine from the north to the south, you are set the house a play. Vibes on vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. You can balance it, check and balance it. No one bad man see, check and balance it. You put me on the low.
Now that I'm done gluing down the wig, I'm going to cut out the excess lace, and I'm using the zigzag motion.
Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and them they feel your vibe. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and them I go the mile. Girl, Batman they feel the way you wind to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got a rhythm and a vibe that I make a man pray. Wine from the north to the south, you are set the house a play. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way.
I sprayed some of the glue on the cover, and in order to be more precise, I used the tip of my rat tail comb to apply the glue on the lace. That way it melts better into my skin.
Run the city, trying to find my way. Them done they look in my face. Got a bad man going insane. Mona Lisa, trying to please her. Fashionista, get the visa. Mona Lisa.
I'll be using the Eco Styler gel to lay down my baby hairs. So guys, while I'm doing my baby hairs, let me tell you a short story of what happened today. So when I went to drop my boy off in school this morning, I had my short natural hair and no makeup on. And when I got home, that was when I filmed this video. So in the evening, I went back to my boy's school to pick him up, and when he saw me, he was about to run towards me. The teacher held him. So I walked towards them and she was like, "Are you the mother?" I said yes. And then she said, "Who has been coming to pick him up all this while?" I said, "I'm the one." And then she said, "Oh, I'm so sorry, it's just that you look different." In my head, I was laughing and saying that, this woman, I have not seen anything. No, this is just the beginning. Be prepared to be sick of me, prepare to be sick of me because I'm coming back tomorrow with a different hairstyle. And while I was coming out of my son's school, I saw a friend of mine whom her daughter attends the same school as my son. She said, "Oh my God, your hair is so beautiful." And I actually saved this on my phone this morning as my next hairstyle. "Is this a wig?" And I replied, "Yes." She said, "Okay, I'm going to get it instead of braiding her hair," because she also cut her hair. The only difference is that her hair is longer than mine. And that's to tell you how beautiful this hair is. So guys, like I said, this hair is from FANCIVIVI hair. I'll leave the link in my description box below in case you guys are interested. To define the coils, I'll be using the Lotta body styling mousse.
Gently, me loving it, she giving me steadily, moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey. Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently.
I'll be using that same foundation and a small flat brush to define the lines. That way they look more realistic.
Gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Good figure, can hold liquor. Likes jigger, can mess with her. One me got, run with her. She's a lot, them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, the man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time.
And that's basically all I did for this hair. Guys, take a look at that melt now. And that's it for this video. And like I said before, this wig is from FANCIVIVI. I'm going to leave the link to this hair in my description box below in case you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.